Okay, so today we're going to work with maintenance and making a maintenance request. Once we're on our dashboard, we'll select the maintenance tab. It will open up our apparatus. We're going to select which apparatus, and today is going to be an engine. So we'll open up the engine section. You can see that we have a request for 1801 for an engine service. So we're going to just go ahead and select 1401 and make a minor request for it today for just purposes of this video. So click our Add Maintenance Report and it's going to open up the screen. It automatically puts in your date and time and who is requesting it. Select what maintenance type. We're going to call it a minor repair. We're going to do a primer is inoperative. So we'll type this in here. And when we're done with that, we will be able to select our request and close. The other things you can do is select if it is in service or out of service, add documentation, and put a description in. So we'll put a description in of primer inoperative. Then when we click our request and close, it will pop up a screen to who do we want to email to. Well, for us, we have to email to our chief, which is Wayne Hammond. Type in a name, click it. Then add another recipient and click on it and put in Julie Rodman. Click on her name and then you can add another one or send the email. If you click here, you can add your name. That way you can follow through with what's going on. Click send email. But I'm going to go ahead and click do not send for now. All right, so that email will then go to the chief and our administrator, which what they will do is open it up and decide who is going to repair it. They will click on the Assign and Schedule tab. And in this instance, you could select a person, with Scott would be the one repairing it. But in this instant, it will come to our shop. And so we'll click on Donnie Braun and Sons Auto Repair. From here, they can add notes if you would like about any information they wish to give. If not, we'll click the Assign, Schedule, and Close button. And when we do, it will pop up the window to send an email. Since I wasn't a part of the emails originally, they will be able to send me an email from there. And that way I know that I have to deal with it. So type in my name, and then click send email. I'm going to click don't send email here just for this purpose of the video. So at the time that I'm finished, I will click the complete button. I will be able to put in that it's in service, out of service, that it has passed, labor hours, cost of parts, everything involved, add files, and be able to put any notes with it so that we can track this later on. When I'm finished with it, I will click the complete and close button, and it will be completed.